How to turn on autoplay on YouTube videos. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if you want to watch a video and then automatically watch another one, you just have to go on your YouTube app, and then we have two ways. The first one, we can go to our profile, which is in the right top of the page, and then go to settings, and then go to the second option, which is autoplay, and then you have to toggle this on. So this is the first option. Then we can go back, go watch a video, and then at the top of the page, like you can see, we have these three dots, and then we have the captions, and then we have the connect to a device option, and then we have this thing. So we want to click on that and turn this on. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.